is Jess, and I rescued 3 off-the-track thoroughbreds from slaughter. People called them racetrack rejects and said I was wasting my time with them. I want to show them how wrong they are. I want to prove to them with enough love, time, and patience, anything is possible. Everybody's got a story. This is ours. Hi everyone. I've been getting a lot of messages about the youngest of my trio, Judge, or as I like to call him, Booty Cakes. My best friend Trish and I put together a training video of Booty Cakes at the barn. We went on a quick trail ride with BaK, and then afterwards, me and Booty Cakes went into the ring and we got her jump on for the first time ever. Hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment, and let me know if you want to see more of Booty Cakes.